We have many wow moments at Sapphire. These are moments when we wow ourselves by beating our own records, or instances when we wow customers. Here are the 12 wow moments from 2020. Firstly, we delivered a number of successful events. One in the Shard with over 140 attendees, and a balcony roundtable discussion in Auckland at the beginning of 2020. Second, as the 2020 pandemic impacted our daily lives, we moved all our events online, leading to 9 well-attended virtual events from March to December, and over 1,000 virtual attendees. Next, we launched our 3.3 edition of our online configurator to the market with a light-hearted April Fool's joke, a new balcony for Buckingham Palace customisable using our configurator. Over 500 balconies were installed successfully in Wembley, a huge wow moment for all stakeholders involved. To provide guidance and clarity for the industry, we published our laminate glass white paper, focused on explaining the current regulations and requirements for laminate glass in the UK. To reduce our carbon emissions and number of trips required for deliveries, we had a number of new balcony trailers delivered, enabling us to deliver more balconies per trip. As the ongoing pandemic continued, we provided free PPE packs to site staff working on UK construction sites, including a mask, hygiene key and sanitizer. In August, the new British standard BS 8579 Guide to the Design of Balconies and Terraces was published. Our technical director Andrew Parsons was involved in the committee drafting this standard. We were pleased to have manufactured 3,373 balconies during 2020, another wow moment achieved by our operations team. We donated over £250,000 to charity during the year, including activities for Mind, Rapid Relief Team, NHS, Lighthouse Construction Charity and Feed the Baby South Africa. With the help of Berkeley Group's teams at the Green Quarter in Southall, we broke our long-standing balcony install record of 36 balconies with an astonishing 42 balconies installed in a day. Finally, one of our biggest wow moments of 2020 was the launch of our latest online balcony software, Coach. The new version enables faster, simpler and smoother balcony design and specification.